I believe in women and leadership and equal rights, not because I'm thinking only about women, because I'm thinking about the Israeli society, the Jewish world. We need all the knowledge, the experience, and in a situation like this, in our days, much more ask the questions, what other women did in the past. And when you don't find answer in your life, when we both know exactly how it should be, because we familiar with our history and we know that in our past, it's not history lesson, it's the future. It's the answer for the future. More women in the room, in the class, more experience, knowledge, and the best way to decide.